Joint surgeons with over decades of experience in the operating room have noticed something most people completely miss. The one exercise almost everyone over 60 depends on is not enough to protect their body. For years, you've probably heard the same advice: just walk every day. And yes, walking helps, but it doesn't rebuild lost muscle, doesn't train real stability, and it doesn't protect your joints the way your body actually needs after 60. That's why so many seniors who hit 10,000 steps daily still continue to lose strength, struggle with balance, and develop joint problems that could have been avoided. So if you're doing everything right, why does your body still feel like it's getting weaker? The issue isn't movement, it's incomplete movement. After 60, your body needs more than repetition. It needs targeted exercises that rebuild strength, sharpen control, and protect your independence. And here's the good part: you don't need complicated routines or hours of training. Just a few simple movements can completely change how your body feels and functions. So let's get started. 1. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are one of the most overlooked but essential movements. When balance slips, your arms are what save you. This exercise strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms while training control. You simply stand facing a wall, lean in slowly, and push back while keeping your body straight. As you improve, stepping farther away increases the challenge safely. 2. Deep squats. This is where real lower body strength comes from, yet most people avoid them and lose mobility because of it. Your joints are designed to move through a full range, and when you stop using that range, you lose it. Lower yourself slowly as far as comfortable, keep your chest upright, and push back up through your heels. Control is what rebuilds strength and stability. 3. Side leg raises. Side leg raises train the muscles most people ignore until balance starts failing. Most falls happen to the side, not forward, and that's controlled by your hip stabilizers. Lifting your legs slowly to the side while staying upright strengthens these muscles and improves balance where it matters most. Try these for 7 days and notice the difference. And subscribe for more simple movements that actually protect your joints.